Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my Boxycharm. This is the Boxyluxe box for the month of June. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription of $21 a month. Every third month you can upgrade, but you have to be a current Boxycharm subscriber to upgrade. So every third month you pay an additional $20 and you can get the Boxyluxe, which is a bigger box. But actually this box is smaller than the one I would normally get. Before it used to be about this big, and now I noticed the boxes are coming smaller, but the products that are inside are still amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this one. But if you want more information on Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, go ahead and check out the link in my description below. Also, make sure you subscribe because I also do spoiler videos. And there's some people out there like me who just want to know some type of sneak peek of what they're going to get in the box. Okay, so now this is the box. It always comes pretty packed. Inside, it's well packaged. You always get your little brochure. The theme of the box is getaway. And then in the back, it's going to go ahead and tell you all the items in it, the prices, a brief subscription of the items that you'll be receiving. And there's different variations. I have variation 6B. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and pull out, you know what, this is on top. I'm going to go ahead, I know what this is. I was really excited to get this, and I was actually hoping I would get this. Comes in this cute little bag. This is the PTY Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. This retails for $85. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I didn't think it was going to be this small. It looks like a toy. And it's not like ceramic where you feel like it's going to break. It's, I don't know what this is made of, but it's like softer. Oh my goodness, this looks like a toy. So it has two, it looks like it has two temperatures. You have 230 volt and then a 120 volt. This is so cute. So you have the cord. It comes with the diffuser, I believe this is called. And then your other one, attachment. That's really cute. So the next thing, okay, I'm going to pull this out because it kind of caught my eye. Okay, I've received products in this brand before. This is a multi-use brand where they'll give you an item and you can use it several different ways. Turquoise. I'm going to say that wrong. I don't even know why I tried. There you go. This is, what is this? This is a Good Vibes mascara retailing for $25. This is a huge mascara. Okay, so this looks like it's, as I said, it's a multi-use company. This looks like the eyelash curler, but I doubt I would use it. That is really small. It wouldn't even get my whole eyelash in there. Yeah, I don't know how I would do that. I would have to test that out. I'm not sure. But here is the mascara. Okay, well, I like the little wand. I like those wands. So compare this to this. I don't know. It just seems like it's so much bulkier. Look at, like, it just seems like a lot of packaging for the same amount of mascara. So the next item we have is from Tarte's Pro Glow 3. This is a cheek palette. This was one of the variation items that we were able to select between this one, which is the cheek palette, and the face palette, which I already have the face palette. I actually received it in, I believe, a FabFitFun box. You have your two mirrors. The packaging is very sturdy. You have your little cover, and then you have like two blushes. These are like highlighters. This has it looks like a bronze. It could be used as bronze. It has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can catch that. And then this would be like more of a bronzer, or you can contour with it. And that retailed for $45. The next item I have is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And it says instant lasting volume and texture. This is a styling and finishing spray. And this retails for $29. So this isn't something I would probably purchase on my own. So I'm happy I received it in the box. Because that's one thing about these subscription boxes. It gives you an opportunity to try different products you may not have wanted to spend the money on, or you would have thought of trying, and you get in the box, and if you don't like it, it's no big deal, just give it away. And there's so many other items that you're gonna love. It's not like you're really like losing out. Okay, so the next product we have is from Dr. Brandt, and that's the Clean Biotech pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. So it's a cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, smell it. I mean, it smells like product. So it's a cream. I don't feel, it does feel like yogurt. It does have the texture of yogurt. But when you say cleanser, I would automatically assume there'd be like little grits or something, you know, like a cleanser that would scrub your face. You don't have that. It's a cream cleanser. As you can see, as you start putting it more, it doesn't really have a smell. So I'll go ahead and try this out. So it says, this multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil. For skin that is hydrated, never stripped, and let the plants do all the dirty work. And this retails for $35. So this is from Skin & Co. It's the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist, Radiant Dew. Antioxidant-rich, smoothing and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So it looks like this is something that I'm pretty much going to want to use on those no makeup days where I just want to go ahead and spray it on and be right out the door. This retails for $35. The next product I have is the No Pore Blam Prime Essence. So we did receive the primer. I received the primer for this product in, I don't know if it was another Boxycharm box. I believe it was. And I gave it to my daughter. My daughter loves it. But this one, I don't know what the difference on this one. So this is a primer that claims to tighten up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth. And this retails for $23. So since my daughter already fell in love with the other primer we received, I'm going to go ahead and give her this one because I have so many primers right now that I've been receiving in boxes. So this is going to definitely go with her. Now this is the next product, which is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So I know Pharmacy is a really good brand, so I'm probably going to save this one once I finish up with the current serum that I'm using, and then go ahead and, you know, try this one out. So there you go. And it has the pump. Okay, so the next product I'm really excited for, and this is the brand Dominique's Cosmetics, and I've been wanting to try her products since she came out with their palette, her first palette. So I'm really excited for this one. Once I seen it when I was doing my spoiler videos, I was so excited. So there you go. I like that. This is the Lemonade collection. It doesn't say what color it is. Wait, does it? I can't see. Okay, so if it says in the bottom, I can't even make that out. So just a typical little applicator there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like chocolate, but not chocolatey. Oh, it smells like the candy, like an orange, not a Skittle, a Starburst. It smells like orange Starburst. That's what it smells like. It does not smell like lemonade. It smells like an orange Starburst, which is still good. This one retails for $17. And then I don't think I told you the price on this one, which retails for $58. I went ahead and added all this up, and it came out to $352. And that's for this box that I would have paid $50 for. So I think that's pretty good. Despite the fact that the box is a lot smaller than it normally is, it was still packed with some amazing products. Let me know what you thought in the comments below of this box, and let me know what your favorite products are that you received. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, it doesn't matter. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. As always, guys, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.